Hello homeowners, Brian Schwatka here, Realtor and Transition Specialist. I've lived in this area since the late 70s and I remember saying, nah, it's not like Southern California with all those people and all that traffic. Well, as more people come into the valley, more and more homeowners are thinking about their exit strategies. And I've always been looking for areas outside of Silicon Valley that aren't too far away. They have moderate climates, major healthcare facilities, large transportation hubs, thriving communities, retirement living options, and most importantly, affordable houses so we can purchase our next home with cash and live on the rest. But before we can decide where we're going, we have to explore why and how we're going. And we also need to know what we're going to walk away with, what our exit strategies are, and some creative purchasing options. So you can sign up for the Stay or Go Where workshop, or order a personalized consultation, or watch the 90-minute video. And I'll even introduce you to my network of hand-selected realtors in those other areas to make your search and your transition as smooth as possible. Everything can be found at stayergohomeowner.com/where.